We're at the Colorado Springs Orthopedic Express Bone and Joint Injury Care. We're talking to Nicole Banning, and we're gonna find out a little bit more information about what exactly is Express Care. So I wanna thank you so much for joining us this morning. So let's get right into it.
Yes.
Kind of do a little explanation. What is Express Care?
So it is a walk-in clinic where people who sustain bone or joint injuries can come in and be seen immediately. Very little wait time. It differs from an ER because you're not sitting there for hours on end waiting for a specialist to come and see you. You are seeing the specialist.
Okay, so your wait time is brought way down.
Yes.
They specialize in these types of injuries.
Yes, in orthopedics specifically. So we have physicians that often come down and work in the clinic as well.
That's wonderful because going to an ER can always be a hassle.
Yes.
And then the bill at the end of it.
Yes.
You know, is Express Care, how does that price comparison to like an ER?
Mm-hmm. So our Express Care is just a specialty copay for most insurances. We also do a self-pay rate, which is significantly lower than really any self-pay rate that we've found. But it is just a specialty copay for most insurances. And that does cover your initial exam and your x-ray. And then we have the capability here on site to order MRIs, to do splinting, to do casting. Oftentimes we do have slots open for same-day imaging. So depending on insurances and if we can get it authorized or if it doesn't need it, a lot of patients can get same-day images.
Wow.
So they're not going all over town. That's the beauty of, why we open this is because it's truly a one-stop shop. You can come here, you can get seen for acute injuries. If our doctors are in surgery or not in clinic, it's something that, we can address here and then make the determination of you need an MRI or let's call one of the docs and have them come down and see if there's something more that needs to be done. But it's all right here, including therapy, again, MRI, x-ray.
So you wanted to really open that up for convenience and affordability,
Yes.
which we totally appreciate.
Yes.
So why would you suggest to someone that Express Care is better for their orthopedic needs?
So similar to what I just said, we are a one-stop shop. You can come here for everything. We do not handle the flu symptoms or the common cold. However, it is true orthopedics. The community, we heard a lot from our patients that this really didn't exist. They would go to a different urgent care and then they would refer to an orthopedic specialist after they were initially seen. So we said, this is something we need to look into for the community. People are more cautious of where they spend their healthcare dollars. Mm-hmm. They're educated, and it's something that we felt was a good thing for the community.
Mm-hmm. Cost, convenience, yes. And you want to have that specialist. So what I hear you're saying is people were spending that money to go to the ER or all that, and then would have to come and find a joint and bone care specialist anyway.
Yes.
Okay, well, we really appreciate it. And Nicole, you are absolutely wonderful. You're the CEO here, and you were talking about this coming from inception and really just taking off.
Yes.
So we appreciate your time today.
You.
One more question that I have is, ERs are open 24 hours, but Express Care hours are just a little bit different, aren't they?
Yes. So we open at 9 a.m. and we're open until 7, Monday through Friday, and then Saturday 10 to 2. So we try and capture some of the after-school activities and the weekend warriors, people who go out on Friday night and do, hikes and climbs and things like that. So we are open on Saturdays as well.
We appreciate that, those extended hours
Yes.
as well. Well, thank you so much. And we're going to toss it back to you guys in the studio.